Meaning of haircut.
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 Haircut. A haircut typically refers to the reduction in the value of an asset or security, often as a result of market conditions or risk considerations. In finance, it is used to describe a situation where the value of a loan or investment is reduced, resulting in a loss for the lender or investor. This can happen when there is a change in market conditions or if the borrower's ability to repay the loan is called into question. Haircuts help to minimize risk for investors and lenders, but can also have negative impacts on the borrower or issuer of the asset or security.